These are for
Oh,
real.
it kind of smells like spaghetti.
Am I making food for you? All these have to match it down like.
It's not letting me.
How would the plastic let? Share plastic is a living thing. These are for
Oh, it
real.
kind of smells like spaghetti.
At first smells like spaghetti. Do you touch that weed?
Did you smoke it?
You smoke?
You smoke?
We're not smoke. I'm going to microwave this. We'll put it in a plate.
Okay.
They want to make eba.
And what is this?
This one is stew. This one is stew. This one is stew
Can
for
I eat
rice.
that egg?
Yeah, you can eat the egg if you want to. So this is how we put eba. I'm taking through the steps.
Boil water.
So you have to boil the water first.
Okay.
Do you know Gary cassava flakes?
No.
You don't know cassava flakes?
No. Cassava flakes?
Yeah, it's like golden moon. When the water boils,
Yes.
I live that is really.
then let me show you Gary. This Gary. See? This is multi-purpose. You can drink it or boil it. Like you put in water. Just I don't want to smell the food. There's a kuli inside that fridge with milk.
Right?
No, I'm doing it right.
No, you're not.
No, I'm doing what?
Why did not just give her
No, no one has to do it. Like
That's better than.
Oh, it's like great.
I don't feel like somebody's first time.
am I making the food for you? I'm making the food for you.
I'm giving you.
I'm making the food for you.
I'm giving you, brother. Yeah, man.
Fuck you.
You guys, I'm about to make.
No, eba. It's called
Ijebu?
eba. This is Ijebu Gary, but we're about to make eba. Where is the? You know what? Omarogun is like a weapon. It's like the way you use your knife. It's like a weapon.
You whisk it?
No, yes. We use. It's not whisk. You drag.
Oh.
Yeah. So this is it. You do. So this is how you
My
make
parents
eba.
used to whip me with stuff like that.
So this is factory reset. So when your parents catch you, eat my head, spank me.
Let's make me back. No!
No, I'll do it little. No. Bruh. Stop. So what are you going to do? When we boil the water, you put the water into this place. Then you start adding the Gary. But tell me, Gary, that this is a proud
That's good, Gary.
food. Proud food in the sense of when it sees water, like it doesn't like water.
Yeah.
It doesn't like
Soaks
water.
it up.
No, yes, it's like I'm your boss. Like,
Yep.
it's like I'm bossing you. Like
Yeah.
I'm your dad. So when it soaks water, then you will not make them align. Like because they're
I'm gonna
enemies.
make it.
You not
I'm
make
gonna
them.
do
You'll be the one to do
Okay.
it.
How much water?
No, let it boil. Let it boil.
that water.
Yeah. No, you put the water first, then
Okay. Okay.
so you put a little water. Start adding the Gary. Add it round like.
Well, okay,
Like-
you gotta add it while I mix it then.
Yeah, let me add it.
Ooh.
Yeah, just keep turning it. Don't stop.
I'm not.
My child does not trust it. They say I should make it myself unless you spoil it.
No, I'm not gonna spoil it.
Wait first.
Oh, wait.
Wait first. Let me add it. Wait. Don't turn it again.
I need
No,
to
let
turn
go,
it
you-
right
ah.
so it doesn't get stiff.
Yeah. Turn it. Don't stop.
Like that.
If you stop, police will catch you. Effort.
You didn't put enough water, Shank.
I didn't put enough water.
No.
Don't something for me, Joe.
I got you.
It's hot.
Don't keep turning. Whatever you go through in that thing, keep turning. You don't stop.
It just burned my finger.
Oh, you're speaking English. Turn something, Joe.
Put more fucking water, Shank.
Turn it.
It's not fucking doing it. Damn it.
You see?
That's how you do it.
Well, he didn't say all that. He didn't tell me.
That's true. You just said turn it.
Yes. Oh, you hold this hand to match it down like, yeah? Put all your strength on this hand.
It's not letting me.
It's not letting you. How would the plastic let? Share plastic is a living thing.
What the fuck?
See me. You can't
See
do all this.
how if I don't hold
That
that
nigga stupid as fuck.
See, you can't make all this kind of food with love. It's anger.
Alright.
Nah. Yeah, imagine your ex that you don't fuck with. Yeah. Wait, no, not like that.
You don't like it.
Ah, like,
You know what? Milk and sugar.
they
Oh,
play.
milk and sugar?
And granite.
You guys leave us alone, Joe.
I see milk and sugar.
They want you to die. They want you to die.
It's
Nah.
not good with milk and sugar?
Nah, it is.
No, you can't. Don't have milk and sugar. You purge. These are small with the manager. Everything disappear the toilet.
Milk.
You shit out. You pass more than
You
bricks.
can add milk,
shit out
sugar, and peanuts if you like peanuts. Brown or honey. Some people like
Shut
honey.
up!
Can I add some of that? I don't want bitter.
You can't add honey to a bar. Oh my yummy.
They said I could pass as a Nigerian woman.
You pass. Now we're done with the eba. Yeah, now let me serve you the food.
Ooh.
So we're about to eat a foriro. So serve it.
Ooh.
See? Remember, I'm serving my hand.
Yeah.
So I'll shape it up.
So let me do it with mine. Let me shape yours into a heart.
Don't shape mine into your heart.
Yes.
First one you do, don't shape it. Yeah.
Right? Maybe nicely. Push it.
No. Wash your hand. Let me teach you. Wait, wash your hand. Whose food is that?
Yours.
Come. Give me. Let me shape your food too, since you're the man.
You have to shape it?
No.
I didn't know that. Like you shape food. Come on. No, I didn't.
Yeah, no, that's okay.
It's gonna taste the same regardless.
Yeah, no, we'll put the soup beside it.
Okay.
Let my microwave the soup. You have to wash your hand first. Come on.
Do you have juice?
Juice? Do you think we're in
Apple juice.
Do you think we're in house?
Apple juice?
Yeah, apple juice.
You have a apple juice.
Do you have it?
Do you have it?
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try this. This is the first time I've ever tried it.
Yeah, the first time.
That's what I said.
Yeah, try it.
Scoop?
Let's go.
Hot.
Eat it.
Put on the top.
Eh? Actually, let me get over. Do you like it?
I do like it.
What do you think about it?
I give it.
No, you can't give it yet. You've only had one scoop.
I like eating with my fingers. I do.
Is it swallow? Are you chewing it?
Yeah.
You don't chew, you swallow it.
They told me to chew.
That person is a fool.
Oh, they said swallow, don't
You
chew.
swallow.
How do you just swallow it like that?
My throat.
You have a deep throat. Got a deep throat, don't it?
But you should be able to swallow easier because I know since your throat has gone through.
I'm
No.
gonna swallow it.
First, you chew this one first. Now take a scoop. Let me teach you. Take a scoop.
A little scoop.
You take a scoop.
Okay.
Now close your eye. Imagine you want to deep throat. Like there's a big stuff about to go down your throat.
Too
You want
big
to
is
deep throat.
crazy. I don't like too big.
You don't like too big. And just imagine you want to deep throat. Open your throat and let it go. You see? Guys, you are evil. Come on. Someone telling you to swallow this thing. You don't even know. That's your blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus. So to be honest, you like it. Rate it of 10. Rate the stew first.
I'll probably say 7.
Rate this first. Then rate this first. Rate the stew.
This doesn't have a taste for me.
No, yeah, but it doesn't have a taste.
But
It's just, but it's cool.
yeah, I think this is like a 5. But
Yeah, it's like a
this
5.
is
But
like
it's
a 9.
The stew is like a 9.
Good. I think it's really
So
good.
together it's like
It's like 9.5.
9.5 together. That's nice. Do you know what this eba is also
I
used
think
for?
this is good. What is this?
This is beef. It's beef. You can try it. This is medical too.
Is it a cow?
It's medical.
Medical?
Like, yes. Like
Medical?
medicine. Yeah, medical.
Oh, what is it for?
So if you are purging, like you're having a running stomach, instead of wasting your money, sorry, bless you. Instead of going to the pharmacy to waste money on drugs,
To make you lose weight?
no, like if you are stooling, if you are going to the toilet, if you are pooping too much, instead of going to the hospital to go and get drugs and waste your money, just make eba. This one.
Does this make you poop?
Just make this. No. Make it strong and swallow it. All your bomb, all your yash. It's going
No,
to
to
block.
flush you out?
Yeah, it will block. It's not like the poo.
Oh, it'll block it? So you
Yeah.
might be constipated.
No, no
I'm
worry.
already constipated. Is this going to make me more constipated?
No, this unconstipates you. If you are, no worry. When you need help, you know.
They
I can't explain to you.
They said Nyasha blocker?
The shit blocker, yeah, like if you are pooping too much in the toilet.
Okay, so it's like you want diarrhea.
Yeah, so this will help you.
What the fuck? Do you overly excessively poop to where you want to block your shit from coming out?
Come on, do whatever you want to do. The English is very hard for me.
I'm sick of his ass.
I don't know how to explain the English again. I've said shit and I've said pooping.
This makes me full.
Yeah, that makes you.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think it's because though,
This
because
is
I'm drinking
heavy.
the water, it's expanded in my
Yeah,
stomach.
it makes you full. Yeah. That's why in Nigeria when we eat this, It can last one full day.
That's why all the Nigerian women be thick.
Maybe.
Thick in the right place.
Because we still have the ones that don't have me, I'm sure.
Like
and those ones they eat the most. In Nigeria, there is the tiny girls that eat most. The slim ones, I'm sure you eat a lot too.